Hello everyone and welcome back. If you have been on the hunt for a cleaning solution that combines power and precision, you are in for a treat. In this video, we are going to unbox the ResQtech 150 bar pressure washer, take a closer look at its features and put it to the test on some seriously dirty surfaces. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's kick things off by unboxing this cleaning powerhouse. But before that, let me make a disclaimer here that this is not a sponsored video and I have bought this from Amazon with my hard-earned money. This ultimate pressure washer is designed with the very best configuration for the Indian market and comes with 2 years warranty. Inside the box, we have got the ResQtech 150 bar pressure washer, an assortment of nozzle attachments like 90-degree angular nozzle, rotary turbo nozzle, adjustable nozzle, professional foam cannon, a user manual and all the necessary components for a quick and hassle-free setup. Another great feature of this pressure washer is its 7-meter hose pipe and 10-meter power cord. Assembling the pressure washer is straightforward and within minutes you will be ready to experience its cleaning might. Now that we have got the ResQtech 150 bar pressure washer all set up, let's delve into its standout features. First up, this 1900 watt power high pressure hose delivers a maximum of 150 bar pressure. This means you will have no trouble blasting away dirt, grime and even stubborn stains from a variety of surfaces. With the adjustable nozzle, you have complete control over the spray pattern. Whether you need a focused jet for tough spots or a wider spray for larger areas, the ResQtech pressure washer has got you covered. Another standout feature is the foam cannon attachment. It simplifies the cleaning process by allowing us to apply soap or foam directly through the pressure washer. Say goodbye to juggling separate containers and hello to a seamless cleaning experience. My kids were way too excited when they got to see the high pressure stream effortlessly cuts through the grime, leaving behind a gleaming finish that's sure to turn heads. The pressure washer patio cleaner is powerful enough to clean stubborn dirt and algae. We have been using the ResQtech 150 bar pressure washer for a while now and we are seriously impressed. It's a total game changer for my outdoor cleaning tasks. The adjustable nozzle and high pressure give me the flexibility I need and the results speak for themselves. To wrap things up, the ResQtech 150 bar pressure washer has left us thoroughly impressed. From its high pressure performance to its user-friendly features, it's a force to be reckoned with in the world of cleaning. From your car to your patio, driveway and even outdoor furniture, this pressure washer is a versatile beast. Its high pressure effectively removes dirt, grime and even tough stains that have been haunting your surfaces for years. If you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, consider adding the ResQtech 150 bar pressure washer to your bucket list. That's it for today's video, so be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome content and let us know your thoughts on pressure washers in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this cleaning adventure, and until next time, happy cleaning!